Yo, what's up guys, this is Mckoy here, the first beat effect. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about the radar searching sound or yung sonar searching sound. Basta sonar, ginamit to ni Lytos. So ayun nga no. Medyo madali lang din to. Big shoutouts to Mr. Ankle Breaker. Na-request niya to dati pa. So, I really do apologize if it's just now that I made this video. Medyo natagalan. But yeah, here it is guys. I hope you'll learn something from me today. Yeah. So, we are going to divide that sonar searching sound into three different steps. Three different steps. First off, of course, I really love to mention this to my tutorials. You should know how to pronounce the letter R. Yung R na matigas, the hard R pronunciation. Just like Romanico, military, rabbit, grapes, mga ganun. You should know how to pronounce that. That's the first step. I assume that I assume that most of beatboxers know how to pronounce the hard letter R, because I was trying to mention that on my other tutorials that if you don't know how to pronounce that letter R in a hard way, you should comment them down below. But it seems that there's no one leaving a comment about that specific technique, so I assume that everybody knows that pronunciation already. So that's the first step, letter R. Second step is you should have a high pitch. It doesn't have to be perfect like a singer high pitch that you have to hit that note. No, you just have to bump it up instead of lowering it down. So baritone voice, you get oh. High pitch voice, you'll get you should hit the highest note as high as you can, the peak of your voice, right? So gets. So that's the second step. Third one will be the combination of those two. The letter R pronunciation or letter R hard pronunciation and that high pitch, the highest pitch that you can reach, so for you to be able to do that crispy sonar searching sound, and it should sound like gets. But this time, in order for you to get that sonar sound, you should position your mouth like this. I really do suggest that you go with the pronunciation of R first before you insert that high pitch, for you to get that vibration at first. Because if you're going to go with the high-pitched pronunciation first, then it might ruin the moment that you're trying to build up with your audiences. So, yeah, go with that R pronunciation first, and then insert that high-pitched voice, and it will sound like gets. Sonar sound is really good if you are going to use it for intro or at the end of that beat. Just like if you're going to use it as an intro, then it will sound like So just like that introduction, then you go with your usual flow, or before you end your flow, you might want to use that Sonar Sound so that you can give your audiences massive ending before you finish your beatboxing set. So if you're going to use it at the latter part of the beat, so you might want to practice like I don't know. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mckoy here, the first beat effect. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon. So just like that, guys. It really depends on you, depends on your creativity. But at the end of the day, it's still your own groove, as much as possible, you watch that specific beatboxer that you really idolize. Get that idea, especially if it's your first time. You might want to get that idea, but you don't want to copy all of it, so you just get that flow. Okay, this guy is okay, so the flow of this guy is like, so you might want to improvise that using the things or beats techniques that you've learned. Just like, okay, his flow is like this, so I might want to tweak that a little bit and make it like just like that. So tweaking, inspiration, tweaking, make your own beats, originality, then that's it. Boom, you'll get your own flow. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mckoy again with the first beat effect. Thank you so much for the request. We are almost 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna see you soon. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. And you might want to share this with your friends if you want them to learn. And hit the like button if you like this video. Leave a comment of the techniques that you wanted to learn. And that's it. Once learned, spread the word.